This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Christopher Benson. Beautifully maintained 3-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom townhouse located in the heart of Sunrise. This move-in ready home features abundant storage, a functional floor plan designed for comfortable living, and a private patio ideal for relaxing or entertaining. Conveniently located near University Drive, major highways, Sawgrass Mills, and the Amerant Bank Arena, with easy access to shopping, dining, and entertainment. The community offers a pool, abundant guest parking, and low HOA fees. This unit enjoys a convenient location within the community, close to the mailbox and featuring an assigned parking space directly in front of the entrance. Seller is including a 1-year American Home Shield home warranty for added peace of mind. Tenant occupied with lease in place through October 12, 2026. For more information, review the details below or contact Christopher Benson at 954-315-6000.